When you're talking about photographing anyone, man or woman, ultimately we all want to look taller, thinner, and more beautiful than we really are. And do me a favor, bring up that watch that you had before, just like that. Perfect. Love that, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. But there's small nuances of difference between photographing a man and photographing a woman. So by slightly turning his face over to the side, awesome, is going to retain all the nuances of his beard underneath. I think more so than ever, there's such a great opportunity for people to photograph men. Arms down slightly, right there, perfect. I think that if you're just focused on photographing women, you're losing a huge opportunity in the marketplace. Let's see what that looks like, and just relax, look at me. You have to realize most men are less than confident. Like not a serial killer smile, like an actual smile. That's all you got, perfect, love that. And your job as a photographer is to make them feel comfortable and make them feel confident. Just like that, beautiful. I love some of those are gorgeous. So what I want to walk you through is lighting male subjects, regardless if you're just taking a portrait or if you're photographing a commercial portrait. And give me just confidence in those eyes, same way that you gave me before, just like that. That smirk that you gave me, love that. Cross your leg over for me. Chin down, love that. I'm gonna give you distances and light modifiers, power settings, every single setting that you need to recreate the images that we create in this tutorial. Perfect. Now I'm metered completely at f8. From there, I'm going to walk you into posing and body language so you can understand that regardless of your subject's size or shape or form, that you can capture the essence of who they are, making them feel comfortable and making them feel confident. Perfect. Face the same way that you were before. Love that. And then in editing, we're going to show you how to enhance their best features.
As I look at this image, maybe I want to remove some of the scarring because this is a commercial style shoot. If this were a portrait, I tend to eliminate anything that is temporary. I never remove anything that's permanent.
People come to me because they want to learn how to photograph men. And the truth of the matter is, it's not difficult to learn. What I want to give you is all the skills necessary to succeed in growing demographic of people. All men are made up of different shapes and sizes. And the best part about being a photographer is understanding how to capture each and every one of those.